So we'll be giving away one Nubia Neo 5 GT Special Edition worth 27,000 pesos in this video, completely for free to one lucky follower, guys. So ano bang meron sa cellphone na to at bakit lahat ng tao pinag-uusapan tong cellphone na to right now? Basically, this is the first ever smartphone na may active liquid cooling. As you can see, live na live right now, gumagalaw ang mga tubig with air vents, ha? Grabe, with air vents at the same time. Meron po siyang MediaTek Dimensity 7400 4nm octa-core processor, and meron po siyang 256GB and 24GB of dynamic RAM right out of the box. Meron din po siyang display na AMOLED screen, 6.8 inches, 144Hz, 50 megapixel camera, guys, na flat, okay? Which is flat po siya. Very rare po yan right now, guys, during this day. 16 megapixel front-facing camera, Bluetooth 6.0, and so much more. Plus, guys, di ko pa na-mention, meron po siyang shoulder triggers right here, guys. So gusto mo, guys, mapanood to, guys, completely for free. I have attached a YouTube video right now. Nandun po ang buong mechanics. So, guys, panoorin nyo po yung video na yon sa YouTube channel natin. See you there. Bye-bye.